61. Art and creativity.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I am interested in art.
What is your favorite type of art?
My favorite type of art is outdoor painting.
Do you create any art?
No, I not.
Lesson 62. History and culture.
What is your favorite historical period?
My favorite historical period is Culture Revival.
Why do you find it interesting?
I find it interesting because I like to learn history.
Do you visit museums or historical sites?
Yes, I visit museums and historical sites.
Lesson 63. Financial management.
How do you manage your finances?
I manage my finances by manage debt.
Do you save money regularly?
Yes, I save money regularly.
Do you visit museums or historical sites?
Yes, I visit the museum sites.
Lesson 64. Books and reading.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
What is your favorite book genre?
My favorite book genre is technological innovation.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is Jane Austen.
Lesson 65. Technology and education.
How has technology changed education?
Technology has changed education by skill development.
Do you prefer online learning or traditional classrooms?
I prefer online learning.
What is the most useful educational technology tool you use?
The most useful educational technology tool I use is paperless workflow.
Lesson 66. Food and nutrition.
How important is nutrition to you?
Nutrition is very important to me.
What is your favorite healthy food?
My favorite healthy food is milk.
Do you follow a specific diet plan?
Yes, I do.
Lesson 67. Gardening and nature.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What do you like to grow?
I like to grow plants.
How does gardening benefit you?
Gardening benefits me by connection with nature.
Lesson 68. Social media impact.
How does social media impact your life?
Social media impacts my life by personal expression.
Do you think social media is positive or negative?
I think social media is positive.
How do you manage your time on social media?
I manage my time on social media by limited time.
Lesson 69. Family traditions.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, my family has special traditions, like China New Year's.
How do you celebrate holidays with your family?
We celebrate holidays by shopping.
What is your favorite family tradition?
My favorite family tradition is vacation trips.
Lesson 70. Climate change.
Are you concerned about climate change?
Yes, I am concerned about climate change.
What can individuals do to help combat climate change?
Individuals can help combat climate change by conserving water.
What is the most pressing environmental issue in your opinion?
The most pressing environmental issue, in my opinion, is global warming.